Hey guys, what's up? This is Airsoft Hawaii here. Just got home to this beautiful package from Airsoft GI. This is the Airsoft GI whatever mystery box, Battlestar mystery box. $65. You guys know the drill. And they basically select a gun for you of equal or greater value. I've never done a mystery box like this, so I'm probably just gonna get, the lowest one on their list. But we'll see. It's actually quite long. I know the monster box has already been found. I'm hoping this isn't going to be one of the King Arms sniper rifles. Okay, got the invoice. I paid shipping because I'm out here in Hawaii, right? So, $187. Ooh, KWA. Nice. And a gift certificate for $20. Nice. There goes a Magger battery, whatnot. Some pamphlets, Airsoft GI 101, tech stuff, basic tech stuff. Good stuff. That's KWA. That's excellent for what I paid for. Let me set you guys down for a second. 180 something for this. Not bad. I believe this is an SR10 or SR12. My first personal KWA, I don't really like them because they don't take aftermarket parts. Ah, SR10, awesome. Never been much of an M4 kind of guy, but KWA, nice. Good stuff, stuff. Thank you so much, Airsoft GI, GI TV. Shout out to you guys. Is it a good investment? Is it good? Yeah, hell yeah, I got a nice KWA SR10. Excellent. Alright, you guys, this is my unboxing. Good luck with you guys. If you guys get a D-Boys Scar H, it's not that bad. I have one. They're actually fantastic once you tune them. And alright, I'm out.